Sure. Okay. Hi everybody. It's me, Kiki,
and Age, and today we're gonna be making slime.
Yep.
So let's get started. It's so blurry. All right. So here's this. So I'm gonna be making a purple slime, and she's gonna be making a. It's because of how bright it is. That's why.
Yeah.
And what color are you gonna be making today?
I'm going to be making a pink.
Pink. Okay. So he's gonna be making purple and pink. She's making purple and making pink.
I'm making
pink.
You're making.
I'm just gonna put that right. So actually, we'll just put this on top of her blue thing.
And I'm eating.
And so let me take the slime stuff out. They don't have lots of this. That's okay. Doesn't really matter to me. As long as we have enough for this, we're good. Okay. Here's the color. Where's my
What? Your what?
I'm missing the slime. Can you go? The one in the white one in the container.
Okay.
Can you go see if that's over there while I get our glue poured and stuff like that? Okay, so I'm gonna pour the glue because I can't find my other thing. Slime. So, and we're gonna be making fluffy slime. So. Find it?
Yep.
And she also took a Cheeto. Thank you.
Oh.
So go. Emma's coming. Go get her.
Okay.
Because if she comes over here. What? I have no clue what that is. Alright, so I just have the shaving cream, so I'm going to mix and wait for her.
We're just playing with slime. That's a little sticky.
Yeah. Okay,
Slash making it.
so now we're gonna add our color. So I'm gonna make purple, so I need red and blue. What are you doing? Grab your colors.
I have no idea what she's doing. I need red.
Okay.
I'll be quick though.
3 of each color.
Start with this.
I added 3 of each. Here we go. If you need that. I add 3 of each because I know I'm gonna like that color.
You mean 2 of each?
3 of each.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
There's 2 in the blue one. And it always becomes like a nice purple.
Yeah.
Like I'll show you the purple that it becomes.
I'm gonna make a pink and I'm gonna add blue.
So you're making a purple.
No, I'm making a pink purple. A pink, but
Hold on. Emma, what are you doing?
it's not a lot gonna be purple.
Oh, let me get your bike for you. Here, let me take it down. Why don't you ride it? You want to ride it over there? So you don't get. No, because look, these wires, you'll fall. I fell. Ask her. I fell off the bike.
Yeah, she was using
So come on here.
So it's like pink.
So it's like a path. Right. Where do you want your driveway to be? Alright, there you go. See you in a little bit.
But it's mostly.
That's what we do to entertain her, so she doesn't come over. Mom doesn't want her in our videos, so we don't let her. Whenever she comes near us, we have to think of something to keep her busy.
Yep.
So something we realize is when it doesn't come together,
Oh yeah.
when it's sticky with just a contact.
When I said that, Emma was making slime at Nick Jonas. I didn't mean. I was kidding.
When you make slime, when you're mixing contact in, I'd add shaving cream because shaving cream makes it come together stretchy.
You didn't shake it well enough. Yeah, that's enough.
So we're adding shaving cream now. It's coming together. I just got water on me. I think it was from the contact.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It's not supposed to rain today.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be hot all day.
I want to go swimming, but
We have other stuff to do.
like shopping.
Yeah.
Something in Millerton? No, Massachusetts. Something in Massachusetts.
No?
Yeah.
Is that where it's at?
Oops.
Is that really where it's at?
Yeah. The store in Massachusetts.
We're not driving that far. No, we're not. We're not going there. Mommy's not driving that far. Aren't we going to Stop and... No, we're going to Stop and Shop, remember?
Yeah.
That's not in Massachusetts. Because
No, and then we have to go to,
we have to go to the store to pick up Emma some toothpaste.
and the store in Massachusetts.
Mommy's not driving that far. She told me that.
Oh,
Mommy's not going to drive that far.
it's like 5 minutes away.
Massachusetts?
The store!
That's not a store.
What's it called then? Michael's. Oh my God, I can't talk today.
Fresh Town!
No, it's Michael's. Mommy doesn't go to Fresh Town.
Michael's is like an hour away, remember? That day we got glue and stuff? That was an hour away.
I don't know.
She means Michael. We're
She's
going to...
eating one of our ice creams.
Emma!
Put them back!
Hold on, guys. Our little sister's eating our ice cream. You know what? No! Emma!
If she's not supposed to.
She can eat them. I'm going to eat one of her ice creams and she can't tell me no.
Yep.
And Mommy said they're for all of us, so...
Yep. Yeah. Okay.
So I don't care anymore.
How she like a taste of her own medicine. Alright, this is not sticky, so I'm going to try to pick it up.
Okay. I thought you said sticky, so add some stuff in. I was like, okay.
Can you, before you start mixing with your hands, can you open my blue bag?
Why?
Because I'm going to add this in.
Right now?
Yeah.
And then take this out, some of it?
Yeah. No, I'm just going to add it in. I'm going to make it sticky. Alright. Was it open?
It's open.
Okay.
Quick, because I have to mix mine.
I know. Okay. Now I'm going to open my hands.
Alright, that's all we're probably going to need, because mine's not...
Ours is not sticky. Want me to go and get us ice creams?
Yeah, get me Emma's kind.
Okay.
And then get whatever kind you want.
I want our kind. That's good.
Okay, I want Emma's kind. I like Emma's kind.
Drumstick. Drumstick.
Yeah, they're also bigger. That's why. That's not really why, but I just like them. Okay, I'm still mixing. So, comment down below when your birthday is. I don't know, just something to say.
Oh my God, Adrian, come! Where is that? Our baby frog!
Oh, where? Oh my God, hold on, guys. I saw a baby frog. It was so cute. Okay, so this is the purple slime I made. And she mixed hers in. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but you can see slime. Okay, so Kira's going to get some ice cream. Or us want it. I'm trying to finish my slime up. So yeah, comment down when your birthday is. My birthday is August 3rd, which already passed, so turned 11. My slime's sticky.
I took the shortcut and I ran to Target.
What did Emma say about me getting her ice cream?
Didn't see.
Well, don't do that. Did you get? Go tell her.
Why?
Cause I feel bad. Go tell her. Tell her Tell her you're gonna eat one of her ice creams.
Okay.
Oh my God!
What?
When I did this, shaving cream came out. What? What?
You can't have a drumstick.
Why?
Because Mommy said we have to eat ours.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I like blue bunny better. Wait. Oh, I was
Just
like,
take this one.
okay. Oh my God. Okay.
It'll probably melt if I run back there.
Yeah. Oh, come on. You broke it. That's okay. Okay. I gotta wait for her to get back again.
What? Okay, question of the day.
What's your favorite ice cream?
Yeah, what's your favorite ice cream?
Comment down below.
Okay, and our slimes actually worked out really good, so please make them this way. And comment if you did or already are doing it. Thank you. Okay, and this video will not have a name, or I'll name it.